My name's Quinn. I am a biology major with a philosophy minor. I landed on biology and philosophy. Uh, Both really interest me in two very different ways. Um, Both seem to connect somewhat to running as well. Um, let's start with biology. Um, my first kind of introduction to biology was my AP Bio class in high school, which I really enjoyed. Um, but then my junior year of high school, while I was taking this class, I got hurt running and had to go to physical therapy. And being able to see the connections between what we were running in class and also what my physical therapist was telling me and the recovery aspects of that, I think really intrigued me and have kind of created this love for biology that I want to continue to pursue. Um, Philosophy, on the other hand, very different topic, but just a lot of the questions that people ask and uh, the topics that they delve into just really intrigue me, and I think a lot of times while running or with the team, we end up bringing up some pretty deep discussions, and I think uh, philosophy like uh, kind of one step further in a classroom setting has helped me like think about different topics and kind of which I really enjoy. Often we have two other runners on the team who are in ethics class right now, so we've often gotten into debates about utilitarianism and virtue ethics and all, different things like that. Um, End up getting these really sometimes heated debates about you know which is more applicable in different situations, which is really fun. And I think having a deeper background in that has really helped me flourish in these conversations and understand different perspectives, which I really enjoy. Most of our training is kind of at a moderate level. Um, we'll do often there's a large chunk of the team who do these 10-mile training runs five times a week, and these take about hour and 15 minutes. And when you're just out with people for an hour and 15 minutes, you end up talking, and there's that an intensity where it's reasonable to kind of get into these deep conversations. Um, and that's that. Oftentimes, this is when we uh, start talking about you know ethics or different philosophical kind of ideas, which is really fun. Having a class schedule with both very STEM focused and then STEM focused proportion of classes, and then going into a little more introspective thinking, essay based. Um, it really leads to a pretty balanced schedule. Um, you know, I can do chem homework for an hour and a half, and then kind of take a break from that and sit down and write a summary of our most recent philosophical reading, which definitely breaks up the kind of monotony of our work, which is really nice. On race day, kind of having a background in philosophy and biology, I think on the biology side, kind of understanding what I'm about to get myself into, and understanding why my body's hurting mid race, and understanding that everything's going to be okay regardless of how bad I'm hurting, um, is reassuring when things start to really feel bad, which I think is nice. Pre-race, I think having this philosophy background has helped me kind of think about why I'm running and who I'm competing for, and that oftentimes comes back to the team and my family, and thinking about them and uh, everyone in my life has done to get me to this place and to allow me to have these opportunities, uh, makes me want to work for them and really dig deep. Having the opportunity to uh, compete this weekend at the regional meet here at home, uh, definitely an opportunity I know we're all really grateful for. Um, uh, Having the whole team be able to support us uh, really puts a chip on our shoulder. Knowing the work that everybody on the team has put in, um, really makes I know me and a lot of other guys on the team dig even deeper for them, the people who don't have the opportunity to race, and being able to represent them in the institution um, on this like bigger stage definitely uh, makes everything like worthwhile and digging deep mid race worth it.